In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to pixel art in Canva. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your project in Canva. This is the design where your image already lives. Once your project is open, click to select the image you want to pixelate. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles around it. Selecting the image first is important because the effect we're about to use will apply directly to the image you've highlighted. With the image selected, look to the left-hand sidebar in Canva and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all of its add-ons and special tools. In the Apps panel, use the search bar to type Pixelify, then choose Pixelify from the results. If you don't see it right away, make sure you spelled it correctly and that you're in the Apps section, not Elements or Photos. When Pixelify opens, you'll see a control for the pixel scale. This setting determines how blocky or detailed your pixel art will look. A higher pixel scale creates larger, more obvious squares, giving you that bold retro vibe. A lower pixel scale keeps more detail and produces a subtler pixel effect. There's no single right answer here. It depends on your design and how dramatic you want the effect to be. Take a moment to move the slider and preview how the image changes. If the preview looks too chunky and you're losing important features, try a smaller scale. If it still looks too smooth, bump the scale up until the pixels are clearly visible. Once you're happy with the preview, click Replace. This applies the effect directly to your selected image in the canvas, swapping the original with the pixelated version. Give it a second to process, especially if your image is large. When it's done, you'll see your design update immediately with the new pixel art look. If the result isn't quite what you wanted, don't worry. You can adjust the pixel scale again in Pixelify and hit Replace once more until it feels right. And remember, you can always undo if you want to go back to where you started. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the image, go to Apps, search and open Pixelify, choose the pixel scale that fits your style, and click Replace. With just these steps, you can turn any image into clean, eye-catching pixel art right inside Canva.